Welcome. I am Takuji Waseda, the department head this year. We'll start the briefing session on the entrance examination of the Department of Ocean Technology, Policy and Environment, the Graduate School of Frontier Sciences. Through the use of large oceanic space, it is expected to strengthen drastically the basis of resources of food, mineral, and energy, and at the same time to solve environmental issues. The Japanese exclusive economic zone is said to be the 6th largest in the world. The Japanese EEZ is considered to be rich in minerals resources, methane hydrate, fisheries resources, and marine renewable energy from the wind, wave, ocean current, and tidal current. The goal is to produce competent and internationalized graduates qualified to take on the various issues of the 21st century through the utilization and understanding of the oceans surrounding us. The department was established in 2008, which was a year after the Basic Law of the Ocean was enacted. That was the year when Ocean Basic Plan was instituted. Since then, the department has led the various researches and developments pursued under the Ocean Basic Plan as illustrated here. And 2 years ago, we celebrated the 10th anniversary. The academic program aims to acquaint students with ocean technology policy, marine resource development, marine energy utilization, marine environment conservation, and ocean fundamentals. Accordingly, the OTP's research program leads to the development of new ocean tech industries and marine environments, of key technologies for ocean utilization and conservation, and of ocean policies. What is unique about the department is that the learning experiences about ocean and engineering are not required. The department is open to students with various educational backgrounds, and the students can strengthen the fundamental knowledge through the courses provided. Moreover, to prepare for a successful career, the department provides opportunities for internships in industry and national labs during master's program. Opportunity to study abroad without taking a leave of absence from the University of Tokyo is provided as well. And the students can attend extension lectures and seminars for industry people. The lectures are structured into 2 tiers, basic topics and advanced topics. The basics include the fundamentals such as ocean development, fluid dynamics, material and structural mechanics, and also lectures related to environment, ocean science, modeling, and sensing. The acquired basic knowledge will be utilized in advanced lectures such as ocean technology policy, new industry development, and marine environmental creation. Opportunities are provided to study abroad as well. Students can study at the Imperial College London and other affiliated universities. At the ICL, the student can study for half a year without taking a leave from the University of Tokyo. During that time, the tuition is exempted at the ICL. A part of the travel expenses may be supported by the department. Note that the living expenses, accommodation, and insurance should be covered by the student. Students go out in the field to pursue their research. Many students were on board a research vessel from the Antarctic to Arctic and the mid-latitudes in between. Nearby oceans provide us with opportunities to study as well. We have been to the Izu Oshima for field exercise. You can also conduct measurement at the Hiratsuka Observation Tower, owned by the University of Tokyo. Graduate students assisted an undergraduate course at the Hiratsuka Tower as a TA in the past. The University of Tokyo owns renowned large basins such as the towing and seakeeping tanks. Students can use these tanks to pursue their research. Financial support is provided to those who have advanced to the PhD program. Both master's and PhD students present their work at domestic and international conferences. The research is not limited to the laboratory, and students can participate in joint research with companies and research institutes. Efforts may lead to winning a prize at a conference or competition. There's something more to enjoy than just studying. Students enjoy sports activities, barbecues, and camps with your lab mates. Graduates from the Department of Ocean Technology, Policy and Environment are successful in a wide variety of occupations. The jobs are not necessarily restricted to ocean fields. That is because the broad perspective demanded in pursuing research of the ocean is something that is highly appreciated in the other fields as well. The City of the Ocean encompasses science, engineering, and policy, includes coastal and offshore regions, and covers human activities to natural disasters. Our department consists of 4 groups: the Ocean Environment Group with 5 faculty members, the Ocean Utilization Group with 3 faculty members, the Ocean Sensing Technology Group with 3 faculty members, and the Marine Research and Development System Group with 2 faculty members. Students can select supervisors from these faculty. From here on, we will provide information on the entrance examination. I'm sure you are anxious about it as the COVID-19 pandemic continues, but the entrance exam will be held this year. However, note that the scheme will change from last year's, and the guidelines for applicants and entrance examination guides will be updated. Information on the entrance examination of the department will be updated as well. Information on entrance examination, guidelines for applicants, and application forms are posted on our departmental website. Please make sure to check the website. The details of the procedure is posted on the Graduate School of Frontier Sciences website. Schedule A exam will be held in August this year, and Schedule B will be held in January to February next year. Entrance exam Schedule A. The applicants must read the guidelines carefully. Depending on the novel coronavirus infection, the examination method may be changed. Please be sure to check the website of OTP for the latest information. Special oral examination is given to applicants who have achieved an outstanding academic record and who plan to enter this department as their first preference. Accepted number of students is around 10. The application period is from May 20th to 26th. Those who pass the document screening are interviewed online. Applicants must make a presentation regarding their motivation for applying to this department and the research plan in the master course. Questions follow. Examination is scheduled to be on July 3rd. The time and method of the network connection of the oral exam will be announced later. We will test the connection prior to the oral exam. Those who pass the special oral examination are exempted from the written and oral examinations of the ordinary examination. Those who are not admitted by document screening or the special oral examination may take the ordinary examination. When an applicant takes the ordinary examination, resubmission of the application is not required. Those not admitted by document screening need to submit essays on applicants' motivation for joining this department, which will be explained later. Those not admitted by interview screening need to submit English score, which will be mentioned later. Next, we'll explain the ordinary examination. The number of accepted students for the master course is 18, and for the doctor course it's 7. The application period is from June 9th to 17th. The examination is scheduled on August 16th and 17th for the master student. This exam will be on the specialized subject, which will be held hybrid in combination of online and on-site examination. The oral exam will be conducted online. For the prospective doctor students, the first examination will be on August 16th and 18th. The specialized subjects will be conducted hybrid, both online and on-site, and the oral exam 1 and 2 will be conducted online. In the second examination, their master's thesis will be examined. In the case of admissions in April 2022, the second examination will be planned from the end of January to the beginning of February 2022. Submission of essays on applicants' motivation for joining this department and English score is required before the examination. The written exam will be held at Kashiwa campus, but as an exception, admitted applicants, example from the overseas, can take the examination online. The time and method of network connection will be announced later. We will test the connection prior to the oral exam. There are several documents that needs to be submitted before the ordinary examination. The English score, either TOEFL or TOEIC, needs to be submitted before the examination. Please note that TOEFL ITP will not be conducted during the examination this year. In addition, essay on applicants' motivation for joining this department should be submitted. Applicants should submit an essay on the applicant's motivation for joining this department by the due date, which is July 9th. The details are available in information on entrance examination. Now we explain the exams during the examination period from August 16th to the 18th. For the specialized subjects, there are 2 exams. The first one is a problem designed to evaluate logical thinking and basic mathematical skills. The second exam is an essay on specialized subject. You can refer to the past examination questions for the specialized subjects. In the oral examination, applicants is examined about undergraduate research and research interests in the master's course in about 10 minutes. The details are provided in information on entrance examination. Now we will describe how the ordinary examination will be held under the COVID-19. Note that the examination can change due to the situation of COVID-19 at that time. In principle, the exam on the specialized subjects will be held at the Kashiwa campus. However, applicants that live overseas, those infected or may have COVID-19, or have had close contact with COVID-19 patients, are admitted to take the examination online. The online examination will be conducted with the same contents and simultaneously with exam at the Kasiwa campus. Regarding the oral examination, all applicants will take the oral examination online. The details are available in information on entrance examination. Finally, we describe the number of students accepted per laboratory. The number of students per laboratory will be decided by the following procedure. The total number of accepted students per laboratory is 3 for both special oral and ordinary examination. The maximum number for special oral examination is 2. Therefore, if the laboratory accepts 2 by the special oral examination, the number of accepted students for the ordinary examination will be 1. If the laboratory accepts 1 by the special oral examination, the lab will accept 2 for the ordinary examination. If nobody succeeds in the special oral examination, the number of ordinary examination for this laboratory will be 3. However, due to the circumstances of OTPE, the number of students per laboratory may be changed. Therefore, for the latest information, please visit the OTPE website. Schedule B. The applicants must read the guidelines carefully. Depending on the novel coronavirus infection, the examination method may be changed. Please be sure to check the website of OTPE for the latest information. The details of Schedule B will be made available on the department website by the end of October. We will accept applicants for the ordinary exam and special selection for applicants with overseas education. The number of accepted students is some for both master's and doctor's course. The application period is around November 2021. The examination will plan from the end of January to the beginning of February 2022. The examination will be similar to that of Examination A, but it will be held online. This is the end of the explanation of the entrance exam this year, and now we will take questions.